everyone, it's Marcia again from Then and There. I wanted to share with you today a couple of digital papers that I've put together and added to my Etsy shop, and also just kind of share some ideas I had to use them. So the first set I'll show you, actually I'll show you this one first. This is vintage fabrics. Some of them were just like offcuts that I just put together. I like these as stripes. They I think would make great washi tape type things, and these are on sticker sheets, larger label stickers. These are, I'm trying to remember, they're like 2 inches by 4 inches, I think. They're for large packages. That kind of bled a little bit. That's not good. The black ink, it's actually like a dark blue, but yeah, hopefully you don't have that problem. Anyways, I think those would make great like washi type stickers, and they are transparent, so I'm going to use some of those. This one I just printed on just copy paper, and I did it full bleed, so there's no white edge. I was thinking this would make a great like journal page in a journal. Just fold it, and it would be a really cute little quilt type page for your journal. Or you could also put, I mean, you can print these on anything you want to. Yeah, this one is just a collection I put together of small squares and some of the hexagons that I cut up and made like a little section there. Yeah, I just, oh, and this one, I almost forgot about this one. This is more of the hexagons that I just put together and scanned, and yeah, it makes a cute little page for journals, or you can tear it apart and use it for collage. You could cut it, you could put it on the sticker paper, whatever floats your boat. And I'm going to show some of these here in a bit after I share the pages. And we'll do a little project together, I think. This is vintage. I called this one Yesteryear Collage, I believe is what I called it, because it is literally a bunch of things that I have in my own collection of vintage images. There's photographs, tickets, postcards, airmail envelope, tag, bit of book page, stamps, a map page in the back. Just layered them all onto my scanner and scanned it and then printed it. This one is printed, these two are printed on sticker paper, but they also would make great little journal pages, I think, just folded. Here's the other side. The orientation of this one might be a little bit funny because of where I put those two guys, but you could even trim it and do it this way and just shorten it and use that section for a pocket or something. Yeah, so that's those. It's kind of girls and guys from the same era, approximately. I mean, not all of the items that are vintage are from the same era. And then I just took a bunch of papers, vintage papers that I have, and did the same thing. I just scanned them and then printed the image. So I think these would make, like I said before, either book pages, or you could cut or tear them and use them in your journals that way and collage with them. So my thoughts were to do a little project. So I've gathered a few other things, and here I have a couple things. I'm just going to alter these. I'm just going to do some collage on these. This is an envelope that had my name written on it, and then when I coffee dyed it, it blurred. But that's okay, I don't care, because I planned on doing a collage on the front anyways. So I'm going to do some collage on these two items using the printables and this, yeah, the sheets and the stickers somehow. So I just realized, you know what, it's fine. It's fine. I'm just talking to myself at this point. I have some wallpaper, some just cut-offs of pattern paper, and some book page and sewing pattern paper. I have some glue and scissors, and I'm just gonna play.